Hi, Burke Watts with Helitech here today to talk to you about our Hydrabreeze Classic Dehumidifier system and all the benefits it can give you, your family, and your home's air quality. With all the dehumidifier options on the market, choosing the right one can seem overwhelming. How large of a unit will you need? What kind of options make for a low maintenance, high functioning unit? The experts here at Helitech can easily help you decide which units are the right size for your home and which ones are the best value to take care of your issues. First off, the reason every basement should have a Hydrabreeze dehumidification system is that over 50% of the air in the main living area of your home actually comes up from your basement. This is called the stack effect. The stack effect contributes to mold, mildew, air quality, allergens, pest infestations, when the air is not properly vented and controlled. Ventilation and air conditioning alone cannot do all the things that Helitech's Hydrabreeze Classic Dehumidifier can for your house's overall air quality. The Energy Star Hydrabreeze will not only remove all of the bad humidity from your basement, but it will replace it with conditioned air and will also help your HVAC system work more efficiently. The Hydrabreeze Classic unit uses 2 filters to make sure that your air quality is perfect. The top filter is your pre-filter, and then inside of that is a MERV air filter. The reason that's important to you is the MERV air filter will take your air quality, all the particles down to less than 2 microns. 2 microns is important because mold spores are greater than 2 microns. The Hydrabreeze unit features a patented dual exhaust system specifically designed to provide the optimal amount of airflow so that the unit only runs when it needs to, thus making it more efficient than an off-the-shelf box store unit. The Hydrabreeze Classic will put out 110 pints of water a day. That's almost 14 gallons of water that by using the unit you will keep from coming up through your home and creating poor air quality for you and your family. All of this while only using 6.4 amps of power to take care of everything that you need it to. Take care of your family and your home and let Helitech heal your home and take care of all your air quality issues with our Hydrabreeze Classic unit. Thanks.